Hi friends, I am here to show you how to make our piggy bank craft. So if you can get out of your math folder your piggy bank craft, we are going to make this together and I'm going to show you how. So while I'm getting my screen ready to share, if you want to pause the video and go get scissors, glue or tape, your pig paper, and you'll need your coins. You have two coins. You have some brown ones and some gray ones, okay? Pennies and dimes. We're going to be learning about money. We're going to start this week talking about money in kindergarten, okay? So go get all your stuff ready and we're going to do this together. All right, and hopefully now you can see my screen. And I have my stuff ready to go. So I got tape because it works a little bit better than the glue for this because we want to keep these piggy banks all year. So the tape will help make it sturdy. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to cut these two pieces so that I have the back piece and the big piggy bank piece. Now I'm going to cut this one out first just because it's smaller. When you cut, you want to hold your scissors straight, okay? And also look, my thumb goes in here and then my fingers go in. I want to show you something cool. You go open, shut them, open, shut them, open, shut, open, shut, open, shut. That is how we cut. And we hold our paper and we go open, shut, open, shut. Now, instead of trying to turn our scissors, we turn our paper. So now we're going to cut this part, open, shut, open, shut. And now look, I'm turning my paper. I'm not moving my scissors at all. I'm turning my paper to cut. You turn your paper. You do not have to turn your scissors. You can turn your paper. All right, and we're going to cut that piece out. So go ahead and work on that. And then we're going to cut our pig out. So same thing, we're going to start and we're going to turn our paper so that we can follow around the lines. Do you see how I'm turning my paper? My scissors are not moving except to open and close. My paper is moving. So I'm moving the paper with my hands. Okay, and the same thing, I'm turning the paper. And you just do the best you can cutting this out, okay? We turn back and forth, turn it, my scissors stay straight. So look, my scissors don't move, my paper moves. And we're open, shut them, open, shut them, open, shut them. Turn the paper until we have a piggy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our pig and we're going to fold it so that you see this line because we're going to cut a little slip. So we're just going to cut on the line, but not all the way. You don't want to cut it all the way. When you open it, you want it to make a slit. Do you see how it's still attached? We want to make sure it's still attached and we just have like a little opening, okay? And I'm going to turn it over on the back. And on the back is where we're going to tape this piece. So you can glue or you can use tape like I'm going to. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the bottom so my paper doesn't move, okay? Or you can put some glue underneath there. And now I'm going to tape the sides. And I'm going to need a little bit more tape. Now, we do not want to tape the top because we want to leave it open so we can put our pennies in there and get them out and our other coins, okay? So now I'm going to tape this side. And I need a little bit more. All right, so now it's taped, but look, This part, I can open it so I can put my money in here, okay? We want to put our money in there, so we want to make sure we don't tape it all the way. So that part is taped. Now you're going to cut out your coins. So I already cut out some dimes. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stick my dimes in my piggy bank. So I'm going to put them in that slot. And I'm going to put my dimes in there. Dimes are worth 10 cents. And we're going to be learning about that. And now let me show you again how to cut these out, okay? We're not going to turn our scissors. We're going to turn our paper in a circle. So I'm turning my paper, turning my paper, turning, 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 and there goes a dime. I'm going to do it again. Turn my paper, turn my paper, and there goes another one. All right, last one that I'm going to show you for my dimes. Turn the paper, and I'm going to put these in my piggy bank right there in that slot. If I can get my dime off my table. All right. So now you can see, I will open this a little bit. You can see I have some coins in there. Do you see my dimes in there? My dimes are in my piggy bank, okay? And so when I keep my piggy bank, it's in there. And you can even write your name on here if you want. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out your pennies, okay? Our pennies are the brown ones. It goes penny, penny, little and brown. And we cut it out just like that. These are worth 1 cent. We count these like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to cut out one more, then I'm going to let you guys do the rest at home on your own, okay? Penny, penny, little and brown, you're worth 1 cent, I found. So then we have our pennies, and you'll cut all of your pennies out, and then you'll put your pennies in your piggy bank. And when we learn all of our coins, you'll be able to take out your money to use them in class. You'll also be able to count your money because they'll all be safe in your piggy bank. So when you're all done, it should look like this on the front and like this on the back. And remember, we want to leave an opening so we can put our stuff in, okay? And we have our little slot. So go ahead and finish making that at home, and I cannot wait to see how you do. And then we will have a piggy bank to use for math time for money, okay? Thank you, everyone. Have fun making your piggy bank so it can look super cute and we can have our money in it, and I will see you soon. Great job, friends.